Hey guys, welcome back to another one with Flutter Yo. We are gonna go check out the waterfalls today. I just got out here. Wasn't too many trees in the way. I didn't have to move any or anything. I ran over one, but whoops. I was looking at the rocks up on the hill, and there's like a big hole in it, and so something probably lives in there, I'm thinking. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Thank you so much for clicking onto my channel. Please smash that thumb for me. That would help me out so much. And let's get at this adventure, dudes. I am going to show you a deer carcass, I think it is. Hold on. Dun, dun, dun. Look at. Ew. So that's what I saw first, dudes. There's a rib and something. So, that's that. Onward we go. Hopefully, there's no bears. I don't like that. Oh, we found the jaw, dudes. Hold on a minute. Teeth in there, too. Where's this? I want a stick. Wait. Hold on a minute. Ew. The stick broke. Wait. Oh, here's one. Ew. Deer dudes. People like to come out here and dump off their deer carcasses after deer hunting. So that's probably what it's from, I'm thinking. So, here's a little trail. Oh, I get to see my tree with all the cool roots in the ground. Sweet. Now out here, wild ginger grows, dudes. And I think that's towards the fall time or something. But my friend that kind of taught me all that stuff passed away, so I don't remember everything. Okay, here's a little bridge thing. Some flowing water. Goes all the way through there. I hear a vehicle. And then it's on this side. Sorry, I went too fast. I hear that water ripping. Let's go. Hey, bear. Mean it. I hear a four-wheeler. Ew. I want your fur. I ain't using that for fly tying. Okay. First, we'll go to this one over here. Go down this trail. Ooh, pretty. Oh, I see they fixed that, kinda. Hold on a minute. Ready? Bam! It's so beautiful. Out in the middle of nowhere, you know? That's what makes it that much more beautiful, because it's out in the middle of nowhere. Sweet. And there's big rocks up there. There's a little bridge thingy. Now down the river further, there's a spot for some crystals, but it is underwater. Okay, let's move up to the other spot. I'm not gonna crawl across this thing yet. Not yet. Sturdy, but not yet. Now people do fish here, not very often, and I'm thinking they get like brook trout or something. I'm not positive, but I've never fished here. So onward we go, guys. Hope I don't get no tick on me. Yuck. This is my playground, dudes. my Upper Michigan playground. Sweet. Like it. Okay, we're getting there. A whole bunch of quartz. Big quartz rocks out here. Chunk of quartz. And that's what I'm walking down right now. Big cliff of quartz. So what I usually do is grab onto this tree. And then I go down. Okay. All pretty. Here's all my roots, dudes. It's so cool. Watch. When you go over here, it goes all the way up to that tree. I love this tree. So cool. Love that. Okay, let's get over here, dudes. Up on the rocks we go. See a big stick. Hold on a minute. Bam! Look how beautiful. Woohoo! It's roaring. That big log on the left has been there for years and years. So beautiful. Usually every year I come out here at least once a year. Unless, you know, I want to come out here and just get away. Just come out here and sit on the rock and, you know, chill. Love it. And, whoops. Then it goes this way, over there. And then this is the one where we just saw it down further. And it kind of goes over to here. Scan ya. Beautiful. I think we have some rain coming up, so I don't know when I will be back out fishing. Hopefully soon. They're still not biting, but doesn't mean you can't try, right? Eventually they'll start biting. I saw my first butterfly today. I'm so happy. Been a long winter. Here, let's go this way. Go on this rock. Ooh, pretty. Look at that one. Probably crystals in there somewhere. I bet ya. Like crystals on this thing somewhere too. Another big chunk of quartz, guys. Lots of quartz out here. So cool. Let me get down further. Awesome. It is a very awesome place to come and relax, you know? Bring some music, have a picnic or whatever. If you walk further up the trail, People will go camping up there. Just bring a tent and camp out. I probably wouldn't. Not by myself, I wouldn't. Ooh, you're sparkly. You're sparkly. But to get to the crystals out here, I would have to walk a ways, you know? But so cool out here. Hope you guys are enjoying it. I had to show ya. It's like tradition. Now once all of the, you know, once it calms down, then it'll just kind of flow a lot quieter in here. A lot more smoother. But I love that. Okay, dudes. Well, I just wanted to come out here and, you know, show you the waterfall. I'm gonna name it Carlson Falls, I think. I don't think it really has a name. Oh, Ika, look at the big hole in the cave over there. I bet you something lives in it. Probably a big bear in there. Hey, bear. Mean it, you stay over there. Just in case. There's gotta be something lives in there. Now, when I came out here a couple years ago, and I was driving on the back road, a bobcat jumped out in front of me, so they're out here too. So, let me make my way back down. Oh, my tree. I love it. It is so cool. So cool, so cool. Now I'm gonna fall, probably, maybe. Nope. Boy, bug. Yeah, that's a big hole. Something come flying out of there at me. Okay, there's more. I love looking at tree roots. I don't know why, but when they're like that, it's really cool. I'm gonna go up here. There's another tree root coming out. That's cool. That's a big one. Yeah. Just a little view of the cliff thing. Now over here, there's a big hole. I'll show ya. Yuck, spider web. Oh, gross. There's a big hole right here. This is where they explored for gold a long time ago. Long time ago. Whether they found any or not, I'm not sure. They must not have if they, you know, it's not all tore up out here, so. But, yeah. Pretty cool. This is where I saw my porcupine friend too. One year. That's on video. But super awesome out here. Trails all over. Be nice to get out this way with the four-wheeler, but I don't know how to do that. Haven't found a spot yet to do that. Another trail. I don't know what that one is. Probably a deer trail. But I don't know. It was a decent day to do this, so I wanted to bring you for a little adventure. Now, back to the truck. Beautiful day. A lot of quartz out here. Lots. But, where's that? Is it an old bottle? Hold on. Let's go see. I want to investigate. I ain't crawling all up in there. Where are you? I'm gonna get ticks on me. Oh, it's an old bottle right there that's broken. That's Corona. This was an old one. Dang it. It's all broke. Oops. Well, I'm not gonna leave it here. This one either. Okay. Garbage, dudes, garbage. I don't want an animal cutting themselves on this, you know? I don't think so. So, grab it out of there. Ugh, I bet you I got ticks on me. They're usually bad this time of year. But would have been a cool bottle, dude. That brown one. That would have been cool. I like old bottles and stuff. Why do people litter? Is that a bottle? I don't think so. Can't tell. I can't tell. Should have brought a garbage bag. But we are back to the truck. Just a short little walk. And it's like a little loop around. Another little parking spot. Rocks. Bunch of rocks. That one looks like a fossil. A little bit. What is that? This is quartz. Lots of rocks. But what a beautiful day to be out exploring my trails. There's another chunk of bone all over. Okay, put that down. Well, guys, that is going to end this video, this little adventure that we went on. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. That would help me out so much. And until the next one, guys, flitter out, yo.